Kocaman bardak var.
Hey, how you doing?
Aslında çok güzel renkler. Sattım renkler.
Something like this bazaar has been in Sinop for almost 3,000 years. The bazaar saves the small farms. Look at who's selling the products here. It's mostly village women who are tending their gardens and turning it into money for the family. They all rent small tables for the market and sell their wares. What is this? Is this cheese?
Ben anlamam ki ondan. Hiç anlamam. Ama bu peynir. Tamam vereyim mi?
Vereyim mi?
Bir tane yetiyor mu? Bu yetiyor mu?
How much are the chestnuts?
Kestane diyor. Fındık o fındık.
Funda?
Fındık.
Funda.
Ha.
Okay.
35 lira.
Funda?
Fındık 35 lira.
Funda?
Fındık.
Funda?
Fındık. Fındık.
Funda?
Fındık işte fındık. 35 lira fındık.
Yeah, yes.
Ha.
Okay.
Ben bunu da yeter mi bu yeter mi? Tamam bu yeter mi? O fındık soruyor fındık. O fındık soruyor bu peynir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No,
Yeah.
I'll just take this.
Yeah.
Only this. Yeah. No, no.
Bunu almıyorsun.
Yeah.
Tamam.
Just this.
Tamam.
This.
Ha,
Yeah.
tamam. Tamam.
Very good. All right. Hey, give me a fist bump.
35.
All right. Very good. Bye bye.
Hadi bay bay.
Bye bye.
Bay bay.
Can you tell me what
Salatalık. Anlamam ki.
Şey?
Salatalık. Salatalık.
cucumber? Cucumber. Satlık. Yeah. Cucumber. Yeah. What is this?
Ha, bu biber. Biber fidesi.
Chili pepper.
Ha.
Chili pepper.
Bu da domates. Domates.
Tomatoes.
Ha.
Okay. Very good. Chili pepper.
Aha.
Chili pepper.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'll take one. Good.
10.
10. Yeah.
Ne diyor ya? Ha.
Okay.
Ha, bir 10 daha ver böyle.
One more 10.
Ha.
Yeah.
Güzel anlaştınız ya öyle.
Woo! Here. 50. Yeah. 20. 10. Yeah. Okay. Teşekkürler. If you notice the Coke bottles filled with a white substance, well, that's cow's milk. They recycle the soda bottles so they can sell it by the liter. The milk is not pasteurized, so you have to boil it before you can use it. It's actually the way they've been doing it for 1,000 years. Plus, many villager tables, you'll see bowls of eggs. People can buy as many or as few as they wish. It allows the customer to decide how much money they're going to spend and what they really need. Also, have no doubt that everything you see on these tables is fresh. You see the butter, cheese, molasses, honey, and yogurt that have all been handmade straight from the farm. What is this?
Süt.
Ah, milk. How much?
20 TL. 20 TL.
Oh, 20 lira. Do I have to do anything to it before I drink it?
İnekten sağdığım gibi dolduruyorum.
Yes.
Aynen.
Okay. Should I boil it before I drink it? Yes. Okay. I'll take one. Okay.
Alacak mısın?
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Bereket versin.
Okay. Teşekkürler.
Afiyet olsun.
Okay. Very good. Bye bye.
Güle güle.
güle.
Bye bye.
Good morning.
Merhaba. How much for the chicken?
80 lira.
Teşekkürler. What is this?
Pekmez.
How much?
60 TL.
Oh, oh,
1 kilo 60 TL.
yeah. How much?
60.
60.
Bundan.
Uh-huh. Thank you. Teşekkürler.
Nerelisiniz?
Los Angeles.
Amerika. Tatil amaçlı mı geldiniz?
I live in Sinop.
I love you. Aşıksın Sinop'a.
I live in Sinop.
Burada yaşıyorsunuz.
Sinop. I live here.
Ya film artistlerine benziyor beyefendi. Var mı öyle bir şey? Film artistlerine benziyorsunuz. Var mı öyle bir şey? Yo, no.
Okay.
Aktris. Siz,
Actor?
aktris, aktör. Oo, çok yakın.
Oh, very famous.
Yani,
Yes.
evet. Var yani. Tam bir aktör havası var.
Oh, so nice. Thank you. Thank you. What is this?
15. Gözleri görmeydi.
What kind of plant is this?
Semiz
Simiz.
otu. Semiz. Dereotu. 4 lira. Vereyim mi?
Big money.
Bereket versin.
Teşekkürler. Bye bye. What are these?
Fasulye. Tohumluk fasulye oluyor. Yeşil fasulye yemeklik.
Bean.
Yemeklik. Tohumunu dikiyorsun bahçeye. Fasulye oluyor, dayağı sarıyor. Kilosu 50, bardağı 10 lira. 10 lira.
Okay. Okay.
Okey, 10 lira bir bardak.
Oh yeah,
bardağı.
yeah,
Aha.
yeah. Give me, yeah.
Aha.
Go ahead. Yes. Okay.
Okey.
Okay.
Alman.
No.
Alman mısınız? Vereyim mi bir bardak? Bir tane vereyim mi size? Alo, bir bardak 10 lira. Van bardak, van.
Okay.
Okey.
Okay.
Vereyim bir tane.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Teşekkürler.
Teşekkür ederim, sağ olun.
Hey, how you doing? If you wait until after 6 p.m., the market is still open and will start selling products at very discounted prices. If someone is on a very tight budget for their family, they can come down and save a lot of money. One of the economic benefits of this is these are all cash transactions. There's no taxations on what you sell from your own farm. I'm told that this money represents almost 25% of the economic prosperity in the country of Turkey. I watched in America as we put the small farms out of business. By 1980, most of the small farms were unsustainable. We turned most of our farms into large agribusinesses or strip malls. I understand the economic model that America is, but do we have to kill the chicken that laid the golden egg? That doesn't exist here. These people eat no matter how much money they have to spend. It's the same with clothing products. You have a wide variety of different apparel manufacturers here. So many of them have smaller brands that don't advertise on TV, and they work through a distribution system just like this bazaar. It's a model that serves a lot of economic statuses. Let me tell you an observation I made in real life. There are no homeless people in Sinop. Everyone can get by, no matter how meagerly, with a roof over their head. No one lives in their car. Nobody makes a tent on the sidewalk. No one's using the bushes for a bathroom. It makes me rethink all of our assumptions we make about how we distribute goods in the United States. I wonder if we can ever revive that golden egg-laying chicken again. I want you to imagine something with me. Imagine the biggest Costco. Now, imagine when the store closes, it packs all up, all of the merchandise, and goes to another city, and then sets up by 8 a.m. the next day. That's what this bazaar does 6 days a week. This same bazaar that is open in Sinop on Mondays and Thursdays visits all the Black Sea towns in the Sinop province. All of the clothing, product, vegetables, fruits, and the small farmer tables, it all moves every day. I hope you'll join us for further explorations of Turkey. We're going to visit everywhere, and we're going to talk to everyone, from large towns to small. Please join us on this journey. These are our last looks.